Algorand truly is a low-positioned coin with the ticker Algo that has a current worth of $0.0934885 and a market capitalization of $741.064,740 win in an unobtrusive manner. Digital currencies truly have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in an unobtrusive way. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Some huge venture banks even secure Algorand and fundamentally other digital currencies as a group to generally safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in a truly significant manner. Presently, now is the right time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and kind of long-haul forecast of the improvements on the algo market that fundamentally depend on the readings of our truly extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that especially assists us with checking the market opinion and sort of expect where in which the market plans to go. Or so they truly thought. At this point, the cost of Algorand really is $0.093485, while the coin as of now generally winds up at 47th spot in the especially by and large positioning in an in every practical sense, significant way. The expressed kind of positioning basically is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that especially is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that essentially is applied all through every monetary market, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients get the most important information with respect to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, or so they for the most part thought. It's likewise vital to truly consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course in an unobtrusive manner. On October 16, the cost of Algorand especially was at $0.094423 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in a real sense added up to 1.98%, which certainly is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on October 10, Algo generally was esteemed at $0.096716, which really intends that from that point forward, the cost for the most part has certainly vacillated by 0% in an in every practical sense, significant way. A month prior, on September 17, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.097410, hence, the coin basically has made a 4.03% move to especially arrive at its current standings, so Algorand generally is a low-positioned coin, with the ticker Algo that most certainly has a kind of present worth of $0.093485 and a market capitalization of $741.064,740 win incredibly. The examination of market capitalization for the most part conveys pretty equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors, which explicitly shows that the said commonly positioning fundamentally is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that basically is duplicated by its really current market capitalization. An equation that by and large is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an especially significant manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology generally is utilized to decide the genuinely by and large position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example in an unpretentious way in a real sense. Changes in market capitalization fundamentally certain or kind of negative basically are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both certainly short and genuinely long-haul viewpoints, exhibiting how at this point, the cost of Algorand is $0.093485. While the coin presently generally winds up at 47th spot in the general positioning. This truly specific in every practical sense metric truly is additionally used to measure the strength of Algorand, comparable to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, kind of additional appearance how on October 16. The cost of Algorand in a real sense was at $0.094423 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change commonly added up to 1.98%. To for the most part decide the kind of current market capitalization of Algo, we explicitly increase the coursing supply, the boundary that will be in every practical sense made sense of later by the by and large present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which really is very huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand in a real sense remains at $741.064,740 when, which frames the reason for exceptionally present really positioning for the most part was referenced before, or so the certainly thought. Yesterday, on October 16, Algo basically had a market capitalization of $748,307,288, which really is very huge. Keep going week, on October 10, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $764,756,283, which really is very critical. A month prior, on September 17, the market worth of Algorand in every way that really matters was evaluated to by and large be $762,642,056, versus the essentially thought. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that for the most part have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining in a genuinely huge way. These digital currencies can especially be utilized either for extremely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, which truly is genuinely critical. This truly metric likewise figures the coins that really have been deliberately eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate in a kind of enormous manner. At this point, the genuinely all-out supply of Algorand most certainly is laid out at 7,927,081,856 algo in an unobtrusive manner. Ultimately, the coursing supply is utilized to basically compute the market capitalization and survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. It signifies the general measure of algo that generally is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in a real sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly fundamentally put unavailable for general use out of the blue. So 7 days prior, on October 10, Algo especially was esteemed at $0.096716, which most certainly intends that from that point forward. The cost especially has most certainly changed by 0% in an all things considered large way. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that generally have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million in a real sense are the most appropriate for truly long-haul venture, since they for the most part are generally liable to especially see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which certainly is very huge. At this point, Algorand by and large has a coursing supply of 7,927,081,856 coins, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Over the very beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the place of $38,152,832. Further appearance has starting today. The market capitalization of Algorand sort of stands at $740,064,740, which shapes the reason for especially positioning generally was referenced before. Yesterday, on October 16, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame for the most part remained at $21,176,885, showing hit a month prior. In September 17, the market worth of Algorand was evaluated to be